Right now, this muscle just completely lost its mind. Your phrenic nerve just fired a signal it wasn't supposed to. The diaphragm yanks down and air gets sucked in hard. 35 milliseconds later, your vocal cords slam shut. That snap, that's the hic. But why did it fire? Because your vagus nerve, this long cable from brain to stomach, got irritated and sent a garbled signal to your brainstem. So people try holding their breath, drinking water upside down, or getting someone to scare them. Only one actually works. When you hold your breath, CO2 builds up and your brainstem goes, "Okay, breathing matters more than whatever this is." The phrenic nerve calms down, the diaphragm relaxes, hiccup loop broken.